What if you could predict exactly when users will leave your app before they do? Most people get this wrong, but here's why customer engagement tools are now essential. Today, we're doing an honest review of CleverTap. CleverTap is a customer engagement and analytics platform designed for mobile apps and digital products. It helps businesses track user behavior and send personalized messages through push notifications and app messages, email, and SMS. The platform shows how users move through your app, where they drop off, and what actions lead to conversions. You won't believe what happens next when you see real-time data showing what actually works. CleverTap also uses AI to predict churn and segment users based on behavior. This allows teams to target the right message at the right time. However, CleverTap is complex and requires technical setup. Pricing can also be high for small teams. The surprising truth is that CleverTap is powerful, but only for businesses ready to use data properly. Subscribe for more honest software reviews.